Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select other settings, and then go to security settings, so the second tab. Now you will find here encryption and credentials, open it and go to the last tab, which is clear credentials. So if it's true you want to remove all certificates, click on the last icon and confirm it by tapping on OK. Now use your pattern if you have one, and that's it. As you can see, credential storage is erased. So that's it. This is how you can clear credentials in your SHARP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.